Still got my bracelet on?
Oh my god!
Welcome to Sister's Fun! We're gonna save the element palmy tree. It's just fake if you see My Little Pony. Ella said we're gonna make tunnels, and I said we're gonna make the snow off our mom's and dad's car. Look outside. See how heavy the snow is? Let's start to work. The shovel may scratch the car. This one works fine. Now let's go and save the element of harmony tree. We need to march through the snowfield. Oh, it's much harder than I thought. Quick, Emma. Finally, we arrived. Now I have to shake the snow off the element of harmony tree. Shake, shake, shake. Change another angle. Oh, it's too heavy. Let's play something else, Ella. I will pull you, Ella. Okay. Sit. So fun to ride the sled. What? Our neighbor just said they built a snowman. Maybe we can help decorate it. I already got an eye. I got an eye. Okay, there's no way that spot is. Oh, he's still there. Oh my god! That's snowman's head off. Now I have to fix it again. Our neighbor's mom gives us some blocks and carrot to decorate your face. It has to be holding a shovel. There. Terrific! Our snowman's done. I will build Angel. Another one at Sister.